First thing,
Posted, ma'am.
Effective
Thank you.
classroom
Thank you.
management strategies need 5 powerful body language tips. Okay, once I am going back and repeating, never touch the head, not only head, any other bad habits or simple habits we have, please come over it, please. Now, next one, take the pleasant face. Okay, keep the pleasant face and enter the class. Last year class, you might have faced any other problem that you don't carry to the next class and don't spoil their time, because each period you have target, you have syllabus, you have portion coverage, whatever you assign, let it go. That is the first thing a teacher must have. Next point, third point is very, very important, good eye contact. That shows how much well you prepared, how much you are ready to interact with them, how much you are ready to impart knowledge to our students, etc. Then, how much ever you do also, if there is no smile on your face, so seriously, so strictly if we tell, you cannot. It is just like holding the bottle upside down. No water will enter if you hold the bottle upside down. Put your bottle always straight and fill it. You may have so many tensions, so many problems, but you keep everything outside the door. When you enter the classroom door, keep that. This is my time. I will do this in the class. I have to achieve it. Okay, that is helpful for the parallels also. Because of one or two teachers, others should not wait. Other students should not suffer. Other class should not suffer. Please remember that. Next one, very good space. Your dress, your eating habit, your discussions, unnecessary topic, whatever it may be. And you take a good position without leaning to the wall, as Shavrani ma'am told, without leaning to the wall or without moving back. Just take a good space all around. In the class, you move. Frequently you move. Okay. So do not mean that you stick to a particular place where you put a circle and stick there. Your movement should be good space in the cells. You should move all around. You should reach to each and every student. And anybody is sick, you see that you are with them. Last class, I want to tell one example. One student was bitterly cried. So I asked what? Nothing, ma'am, he said. Then he took 2 minutes to tell that his grandfather expired. Then I told Sohail, I am with you always. The moment the word I am with you, you heard, I could not make any difference. It was a coincidence actually. I moved out from my flat to outside for some important purpose. I met the parent. I could not recognize because of online class. You will not believe. Parent ran to me and she told that, ma'am, the word what you told, I too also was at home. I remembered I was with you. You will not believe. The child felt so happy that even though grandfather expired, he was so much attached to the grandfather. Okay, so all of a sudden the sleep with because of heart attack he lost the life, and full family was in shock. But this child, that support what you gave really touched our heart, ma'am. We felt that you are with our family. That's what we tell. We all DAV teachers are with our students to support. Okay, please make that level always, because this is the profession where you can make these sorts of small contribution from our part, but it makes a big, huge, proper positive support to the entire family. Many days, many times we come across, just recently happened, just I am sharing. If I ask if any points are there, you can share with me, with others now. There are many anecdotes in our life, in our career, in our profession. Please share. Check your mic. Please see that everybody can hear. Anybody else would like to speak here about any point, what way this body language will influence our class?
Yes, I would like to add for this.
Yes.
One is the how a teacher should come to school. It is very important. How she dresses up.
Very important. Very good.
That is very important. And most other thing is, when I say good space in the co-education, it is very important that they should be trained. Unless when we don't maintain the distance, I don't think children will know the difference, because they are all small children. They should be taught from the beginning that they should maintain the distance.
Good. Where we
That
have to
is
be very close, where we have to be far away from. Both the things are equally
that
important.
is
Absolutely
very,
right.
very, 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 very important
Very,
step.
very crucial. Very, very important. Okay. Where you have
And
to
it
Radhika
is
hug,
ma'am.
you hug.
even
Yes.
Where
if
you have
once
to keep a distance, you keep a distance. Do not mean that you so much interfere in their personal work. That topics are there. Very good. You have already got insight to such topics, Lada ma'am. Hats off to you.
yes, that is very important, because unless we don't maintain the distance with the children will not learn from us. I am telling you, in between our colleagues also, we should know how to behave.
Yes.
That distance should be there. That is very important. Then only I think, the most the behave children will learn from us. They see us. We are telling in the class, but between you teachers how you are, they will say. So that is
Definitely.
very important, children. We are the role models for children. Children will listen
Definitely.
to us only. Our
Correct.
what we say, only our school students only will listen. Outside, nobody
Yes,
will listen
ma'am.
to us.
Lata
Very good.
ma'am, I
Lada
agree
ma'am,
with you.
you could
Here,
foresee
one
that my next
Radhika
slide.
ma'am.
Okay, yes.
Radhika ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to share one example, like some joke, kind of joke.
Definitely.
Somewhere,
Correct.
it is not that in our school, somewhere where I was working nearly 12 years back. So the teacher came with some like flowers, mala, okay,
Hmm.
and she is with kajal and all. She is looking nice in the morning, but evening time, the mala how it will becomes like it's spread full,
Right.
and kajal also some kind of spread was there,
Spreads.
and children started talking. I heard with my it means I overheard when they were talking. They were saying, "See, that ma'am is looking like Chandramukhi."
That's what they are comparing us. Okay, our role
Yes,
is a beautiful teacher turned into Chandramukhi by evening.
so in that kind of things also we have to be very careful. And somewhere I heard about children talking about taking of their lunch. Maybe they are sharing wantedly, or teacher taking, or they're hiding the boxes. Okay, so these things, we what we'll think, we feel that they are our kids, but they have their own opinions.
Definitely.
So we have it matters. Our attire matters a lot. Our
Definitely.
dressing and all matters a lot in the school. We have
Now,
to be very careful.
very, very true. So, as per
Yes,
Upanishad,
madam, they will observe a lot. Here, I want to express my experience with my son itself.
of course, ma'am.
When he was in third standard, once we went to Vishakhapatnam for shopping, and I have selected one of the sari for myself, and he said that my teacher is also having the same type of sari, mommy. So he remembered even which type of saris our teachers are having.
Teachers are the role models. Every
So
time they
they'll
compare.
teach. Yeah,
Family also. They
they'll
tell you are a
observe
teacher, you
everything. They
don't
used
go
to observe
beyond the limit.
everything.
Radhika madam, for the
Yes.
present phase, every time we should be in a smiling way. We should not be in an angry way while teaching also.
Yeah. Now, next important
Okay.
point for students, as per Upanishads, there are 9 for us. But I had chosen only 2 for students because school is the place there we will not show any disparity or difference. Income and property. Many students are there, even parents also see that they exhibit their richness among the students. Now we know even birthday celebration because of this is stopped. Many schools we stopped. Okay. Why? Because they will take this opportunity to show, pomp and show among their groups. And there will be many clashes because of this. You invited me, she did not invite that girl, this girl, etc. Evening, which place, etc. So very strictly it is stopped. In the beginning, there was lot of protest and they were not cooperating because they used to it. Okay, parents used to come, they give sweets, cakes, etc. with a lot of patience, and good awareness was created. Because of that, there is a change in that one. Okay, now as per Upanishads, once again I am repeating, school is not a place to show your income or property or your status or anything else. That's what we stick to uniform. Okay, this also counts in the teaching and learning process. It takes very good role here. Okay, now this song, I know it will inspire you. I you consider as we. Please.
I will take a chance to be who I'm meant to be. I won't let fear keep me from trying. It's time for me to make a change, to start living the life I want. I'm gonna reach for the sky, way up high. I'm never giving up. It's up to me to see who I can be, make dreams reality. I'm never giving up. I'm never giving up. I'm never giving up. I'm never giving up. I won't live the life others expect.
Now, okay, thank you very much. I think you all enjoyed the song. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So never we give up. We take the chance. We proceed. We succeed. We reach the target. Now, 8 principles what Malaysian Prime Minister, he became the at the age of 92 the Prime Minister. Once I read his book and articles, I thought from that 8 principles are applicable to us. Okay.